Previously on Slime Ranger. I want all my big slimes to be a tabby cat. Oh, whoa. Okay, let's go. Wait, where? Wait, where are we? Wait, where? Wait, where are we? Wait, where? Oh, we are not an entirely different island. Okay. Goodbye. Thank you. We got a gift here. Not another one. Oh, it's not a lovely ornament. It's a pink ornament. Okay. Wait, is these gonna hurt? No, okay, they're just pretty flowers, I guess. There's this place here. Wait, what? Okay. Okay, what about this? Oh, meat. Meat. Okay, meat. You need more meat? Okay, it disappeared. No! There's the crystal! That's the crystal! What do you like? What do you like? Do you want this? And maybe this one? Oh my god! Give me you! Now! I need you! No! Oh my god, this was terrible. Let's go back. Let us place you here. There we go. Oh no, it's... Hallelujah. But chickens. He would like chickens, and then we got that thing. We got another thing for the tree. I don't think I want this one. Crystal slimes, like odd onions. Okay, I got a lot of odd onions. I know it's maybe stupid to get tabbies, but I don't care. Oh, there's a way up over here. What? Wait, what? I haven't even seen this before, or maybe I have. Wait, what? Okay, there's tabby. Let's steal you. Okay, there's a big tabby. Okay, there's a place here where I haven't seen it ever. Okay, I'm about to die. Let's skadoodle. Okay, I can see I need a key. So we got two places where I need a key. I am not good at seeing my surroundings, apparently. Oh, that looks so cute though. Look at that. Yeah, I'm going to do it. Going to make everybody tabby slimes. I got some chickens there. That is growing, that's good. Maybe I need like another chicken coop instead. I could seed this place to just be like, you know, farms and stuff, and then over here there's going to be the other ones are going to be. So let's just take higher walls firstly. And let's take you and let's give you one of these. You know, just eat this one. Oh. No, we are not going to do that. No, we are not going to do that. I am sorry, but this one looks stupid. I don't like it. It completely loses all of its cuteness. We are not going to do that. No. We have to relocate these guys. Oh! Look at that. No, not you. This one. Oh, stony little one. Oh my god. You got a stony little one. This one. 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. Did you know how hard it was to get 2,000? 10,000. Okay, that's the same amount as the other one. This one. With higher walls and bananas. Because it is flower something flying thingies. Okay, let's see how you look. Yeah, that one we're going to have that. And I think 3 is a good amount. Hello, sweetie. What do you like? Okay, let's see. This one likes cuber. Oh my god, that's what we got. That's exactly what I have right here. So let's just, you know, fill this place up with it. Probably gonna make a lot of mistakes, but that's okay. It's okay. So let's take some odd onions and carrots for the. Some odd onions for the crystal, for my lonely crystal, and odd onions, carrots for somebody else, I don't know who. I'll come back later, please don't mess anything up, I love you guys, mwah. I just need some stony hens, that's what I want right now. Okay, let's go back. I just got a stony hen, and I got some stony chick. Probably gonna waste a lot of money. That's okay. That's okay. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. Got some boom, boom, boom. Oh, I can choose which miles far west. I guess we haven't done one first. We haven't done one first either. She was the first one. She's an old lady. I don't know when she's going to die. And this one is just angsty teen, I think. Let's just take her. Okay, yeah, sure, I can do that. I think I got 2 roosters. Okay, 1 roosteroo for you, and we need 5 of those. Okay, I can do that pretty quickly. You must be super happy. I mean, being alone and stuff. Okay, where is the red slimes? Oh, I think I see. I walked the wrong way. Oh my god. Okay, I think, yeah, there's some more rats here. 1, 2, 3. Where are you? You there, my little friendos. And maybe? Yeah, let's get 3. I just want to see how they'll look with the cats. You know? Because Beatrix Ladau is a crazy cat lady, you know, as we all know. For a waste, I have some slimes for you. Okay, let's see you get one of these. Oh yeah, that's pretty cute. Okay, let's get that. Okay, it's just like meats. Another one of these. Using so many money. Let's see you. That's okay. It's It's kind of cute. There isn't anything wild about it, I guess. Now we have to do the cleanup job. I know it's not even efficient. Space. Maybe I should not do that. No, not be a crazy cat lady. I don't know. I think it's pretty stupid to have all cat tabbies. So we're not going to do that. I don't know. I really don't know. Is it a good idea? Should I continue? I'm really lost on that.